Hello and welcome everyone to the Commodity Report for the 27th of January 2023, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So with that, we have seen this week energy prices, they're broken out yet again over 1% on Thursday. But as you mentioned last week, the precious metals have been under pressure as a result of China on their 1 week public holiday for the Spring Festival to celebrate the Lunar New Year. And with that, during thinner liquidity, we have seen takedowns on the metals. In fact, platinum prices, they've had a big dive here later on in the week, breaking down over 500 points from the highs at the start of the week. Gold prices, they've pulled back over 1%. Silver prices, they've pulled back almost 1%. Palladium prices, they've come back down towards the swing lows, offering you yet again tremendous opportunities to buy the dip. We talked you through this last week. It's not a buy and hold market. It is a trader's market. You have to take profit off the table. When you see these parabolic moves and many metals which have gone exponential over 2023 so far, with gold prices in multiple currencies breaking out to all-time record highs, you still have to take some profit off the table, lock in those gains when we are getting those exponential breakouts. And then when you do see thinner liquidity, where you're seeing capital outflows, like we're seeing at the moment during the 1 week public holiday that we're seeing for China right now, this is offering you perfect time to, number one, bank, and number two, reload at lower prices that we've got at the moment for multiple metals such as palladium, platinum and silver right now. Not only that, we've also seen energy prices get a bid later on in the week, breaking out to 2-month highs. We've got crude oil breaking back above $82 per barrel. Our position on crude oil is currently up over 3,600 points profit on multiple positions that we've built into with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club. And of course, we've taken the opportunity to add on further dips over the course of this week as well. Now, next week is going to be action-packed with back-to-back news-driven events. You've got the OPEC meeting next week, which of course, that is going to be a major catalyst for oil prices. With this week, with the China on their 1 week public holiday, we could of course get further demand as we see the reopening continue in China going into next week. This is already creating a massive bid behind WTI crude oil and Brent crude oil breaking back out to 2-month highs. Now, alongside that, next week on Wednesday, we have the Fed. So we have the interest rate decision from the Federal Reserve, the FOMC statement, which will be next Wednesday. The day afterwards, we have the European Central Bank interest rate decision. On Thursday, we also have the Bank of England interest rate decision. And the next Friday, we have non-farm payroll data. All of these, they're going to create back-to-back opportunities for you to capitalize on the volatility. And again, it's a trader's market right now. It's not buy and hold. You want to regularly make sure that you're coming out the top of the cycle, banking your windfall amount of profits. And then when we're seeing the inevitable rotations back down towards the swing lows, these are offering you great opportunities to yet again reload and repeat the cycle. It's so important in 2023 that you're aware of the data, the cycles, you're utilizing statistics, facts, market intelligence to give you those precise entries in the market, targeting those key areas of liquidity. Alongside that, of course, how the hedge funds, money managers, banks and institutions are positioned in the market in real time. Understand and learn the capital flows. We're now going to move towards the end of the month where, again, you can see a lot more profit taking. You've seen the outflows with China on their 1 week public holiday. Then, of course, we're going to be moving into a new month. Month of February, different cycles for you to capitalize on, and lots of central bank news items at the start of next week for you to take advantage of those back-to-back news-driven opportunities which will be created as we go into next week. Then, of course, further compound your knowledge with the macroeconomics, the fundamentals, the intermarket correlations in the market, the ratios, and of course, finally, as I mentioned, utilizing the capital flows and also how the commercials, producers of commodities are positioned in the market. All of this is going to stack up and help you massively to get that edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.